subscribe to our channel. Amazing information about our mysterious world awaits you. Don't forget to hit the like button. The moon has been an object of fascination and awe for humans for thousands of years. It has been a source of inspiration for poets, artists, and scientists. However, despite our curiosity, many myths and misconceptions about the moon still persist today. In this video, we will explore some of the most common myths about the moon and provide real information to help you better understand our closest celestial neighbor. Myth number 1. The moon is made of cheese. This myth has been around for centuries, and while it might make for a fun story, it's not based on any scientific fact. The moon is actually made of rock and dust, similar to the Earth's crust. The composition of the moon's surface is primarily made up of oxygen, silicon, aluminum, iron, magnesium, calcium, and titanium. There is no evidence of dairy products on the moon. Myth number 2. The moon is always full. While the full moon is undoubtedly a breathtaking sight, it's not always full. The moon goes through phases, just like the Earth, as it orbits around the Earth. As the moon moves in its orbit, the amount of sunlight it reflects changes, causing the appearance of different phases. When the moon is directly between the Earth and the Sun, we see a new moon, while a full moon occurs when the Earth is between the moon and the Sun. Myth number 3. The moon landing was a hoax. One of the most enduring conspiracy theories about the moon is that the 1969 Apollo 11 moon landing was faked. However, there is overwhelming evidence that the landing did occur, and that humans have been to the moon multiple times since then. There are many independent sources of evidence, including photographs, videos, and samples of moon rocks that confirm the authenticity of the moon landing. Myth number 4. The moon only affects the tides. While it's true that the moon's gravity is responsible for the tides, its influence goes far beyond that. The moon's gravity affects the Earth's rotation and causes a slight wobble in its axis. This phenomenon is called precession and has a significant impact on Earth's climate and seasons. The moon's gravity also affects the speed at which the Earth rotates, making our days longer. Myth number 5. The moon has a dark side. While it's true that we only see one side of the moon from Earth, there is no dark side of the moon. The side of the moon that faces away from Earth is still exposed to sunlight and experiences day and night, just like the side that faces us. However, the far side of the moon is less familiar to us because it's harder to observe from Earth due to the moon's rotation. In conclusion, the moon is a fascinating celestial object that has captivated humans for centuries. While many myths and misconceptions about the moon still persist, it's essential to separate fact from fiction to better understand this natural satellite. By dispelling these myths, we can gain a deeper appreciation of the moon's beauty and its significance in our solar system.